Low Post holiday people. Just a little short video here showing you all the loot I got for Christmas. I guess we'll just jump right into it. This jacket here, it's sort of like a fall jacket, but it's really heavy. It's got a really nice lining and it's really warm. And it's got a nice manufacturer as well. And I liked it from the first second I put it on. And for the weather we're having now, it might not be good for extended periods outside, but also I got this other jacket, which is really heavy. This has got some heft to it, and this has got a really nice liner and a nice manufacturer as well. And so this, I found that in the worst weather that the season can throw at you, these two in combination together can do the job. So this is the first one's a zipper, and the second one is snaps. So these snaps are kind of cool. There. Got these lined up? No. Way to go. On TV, buddy boy. Line it up right. There. Okay. Fits nice. Warm. So you can wear it without the inside jacket or with. And so I thought I was pretty happy about this. It's got the pockets, and I think, and it's got 2 pockets up here as well. So that's that, and then snaps. It looks pretty cool. The only thing is, if you're going to be walking down a dark road without much lighting, it won't alert drivers to you. It doesn't have any bright. This Archie Bunker hat, I got 2 caps for Christmas. This Archie Bunker hat, which you won't see me wear because it's too small, but it's a cool hat. If it was bigger, I'd wear it. Now here again on the inside there, it looks like it's a big deal. And there's that. And then here is a hat I really like because it keeps me warm. It looks like this on the front, and it looks like this on the side for like little earmuffs or something. And if you're operating a snowblower or say a leaf, sometimes we use a leaf blower to blow the snow. If it's light and fluffy, I can put earmuffs over the top of that hat. And here's a third jacket right here. Again, this one's dark, so I should probably get a day glow vest, which I have, to put over the top of it if I'm doing any walking or anything like that. And this one, the other jackets, the one jacket had the zipper, the one had the snaps. This one, both. Snaps and zipper. So, and then I think there's an economy of pockets here. I think just the 2 on the outside. And so this jacket, I leave it draped over the chair, so in case I need something in a hurry to just grab it and go out and do something for a matter of, I don't know, seconds, I put this on. And there again, all 3 jackets make me feel good. And so what else did I get? We got this, which had to be put together. I don't know if you can see that. It's on wheels, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. It's got these little items here to hook things on, and it's got this on the side, which I just took off. Way to go. That should get right back on there, I think, yeah. So there's hooks on the side. It looks like it's made for something like say a little dust mop or something that just fit it right in. I don't know if it could hold something like this, hold a tool or something. Yeah, maybe, yeah. So that's got some function there. And what else? Oh, got some tea. So most of it I drank already, but I got some really good teas, really assortments. There were some really nice brands in there too, Tazo, and some's decaffeinating, some is calming, some is black tea, which I like, and different. This one's for throat, and then breakfast teas and so forth. I already drank most of it. So
These candles too.
then we got candles too. I don't know that I can't tell you what that smells like. I don't know if it says something on there. Alpine Forest. So there's your Alpine Forest. And then this one.
Mystery.
Should say something on the bottom here. Oh, that's some kind of warning. Nope, that's just about the candle itself, but it's a nice fragrance. So I got those. And I think I got more stuff with all the stuff we hauled in here.
Oh, the weighted blanket.
Oh, this blanket. I talked about those jackets being, kind of heavy. This one's nice and light, but the other ones kind of were heavy. But this blanket is, I don't see how a normal person could put this on themselves and turn over with it on top of them. It is heavy. It's extremely heavy. I can't do it. I can't pull it out and leave it.
These gloves. Did you get these gloves?
No, those we already had, but we can say I got them.
Oh no.
Who's gonna know?
What about the light? The tap on light.
This is something I've been wanting for quite a while. I needed a light, and this will
Tap the metal part.
there. And now that I have one, it's a place here for your pens and pencils and scissors and stuff, or use your imagination, do something else. Letter openers. Now that I have it, I can't remember where I need it, but I'm sure it'll come to me. So they're all useful things that I got, and all things that are going to be organized and used almost right away. So I hate to say that's it, that it's all I got, but it's not. I got got a whole bunch of food too, but I guess that's a different video. So all the people that gave me stuff and are watching this, they'll know who they are. So what can I say? It was a good holiday. Fabulous holiday. Did better, way better than I should have done. But that's the way things are, so don't worry about it. So we'll see you next time.